In Microsoft Word, under the Home tab, you can see a group of styles. These are built-in styles which you can use to format your document. Let's enter some text. And when you enter text, you can see that the style normal has been highlighted. If you hover your pointer in any of the other styles, you can see a preview of that style being applied to your text. And using the drop down arrow, you can access some more style types. And if you are interested in any of these styles, you can select one of those and that style will be applied to your text. In this document, I have added some text and now I will use the built-in styles to format this document. For example, this is one of my main headings. So I will select the heading and click on heading 1. And this is one of my subheadings under this main heading. So I will select heading 2. So this is also a main heading. So I will select heading 1. And this is a subheading, heading 2. And this is also a subheading, heading 2. And again, this one is a main heading. So I have applied the styles for my main headings and subheadings. And this text will be in the default style, which is normal. After defining the main headings and subheadings or any other styles, you can go to the Design tab and go into Document Formatting. These are also built-in formatting styles which you can apply to a whole document. So you can see that the main headings, the subheadings, and the paragraphs are changing into different formattings under these particular formatting styles. For example, I will select this style and you can see that main heading has a line beneath it and the subheadings has different formattings and the paragraph has particularly different formattings. You can select any of these styles depending on your requirement. And maybe you are not still satisfied with this formatting. So in that case, if you want, you can reset to default style. Let's say I want to change the formatting of this main heading. For example, this heading is in blue color and I want it in black color. And also, let's say I want to change the font size. One way I can do is I can right click on the style and go to modify. Here you can change the font and also you can change the font color and click on OK. So what will happen is all the main headings will change the formatting at once. However, I would like to do it in a different way. I would select this main heading and I will go here and change the font, maybe the font size and the font color. And let's say I want to also add the line space after the heading. Okay, now I have given all the formatting I need and I want to apply this format to every main heading in this document. So what I will do is I will select this word and I will right click on that particular style and click on update heading 1 to match selection. When I update the style, what happens is the formattings in this word will be applied to this style and all the text in this document which has the same style will be updated with the same formattings. Other than using the built-in styles, you can also create your own style. For that, go to the Home tab under the Styles group, click on this down arrow and click on Create a Style and click on Modify, and here you can give a name to your style. Let's name it as My Style 1, or you can give any name you want, and select the style based on as normal. Others you can keep as default. Let's say I want the Times New Roman with 12 font size, and I want it in black color, and I want it justified. Other than that, you can also go into this format and change any formatting you want. For example, I will go into paragraph and I want to change the line spacing. I will select this as 1.5, click OK, or you can go to any of these and change anything you want, and you can create your own style, and a preview of the style will be shown in this box. So I have given all the formatting I need, and you can see that there is option to select only in this document or new documents based on this template. So if you have selected this one, this style will be saved only in this document, and if you want that style to be shown in every other document, you can select this option. I will keep this to only this document and click on OK. And you can see that now my new style has been added with the other built-in styles. If I want to change the formatting of any of these texts, I can select that text and click on the style I created, and those formattings will be applied to that text. And if you want to get rid of this style, you can right click on that and click on Remove from Style Gallery, and that style will be removed. Just like creating a style, you can also create a new document format style. So in this document, I have applied all the formatting styles I want. And now if I go to the Design tab and go into the document formattings, you can see that it shows the formatting of this document. This contains all the formats which I have applied to this document. Let's say I want to use this format regularly in the future. In that case, I can save this format and use it in my future documents. Right click here and click Save. And this will be saved under Quick Styles. The location will be given by default, and give a name to your style. Let's say it as My Style 1 and click on Save. And you can see under the Design tab, now you have the document format you just saved. So I will open a new document and I will bring in some new text. Let's say that this is a new report I am working on, and all these are now in normal style. So I have to assign the headings and subheadings. I will do that quickly. Okay, now I have assigned the headings, the subheadings, and this part is in normal style. And as I mentioned, now I want to change this whole document into a particular format I want, and we have saved the document format we want. And what we have to do is go to the design and select the particular format we just saved. So in my case it is my style 1. I will click on that and the whole document will be formatted according to the way we want. So this is very convenient and very efficient, and it will save you a lot of time. By formatting the document in this way, there are some additional advantages. For example, you can go to View tab and select on Navigation pane, and it will give you a list of the headings in your document. And by clicking on these headings, you can navigate through your document. Assigning headings also help you to create your table of content. By any chance, if you want to clear the formattings in the whole document, you can select the whole document and click on this drop down arrow and click on clear formatting. Then all the formats will be cleared and you can redo your formatting if you want.